స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఏజే అక్షర అకాడమీ యూట్యూబ్ క్లాసెస్. ఈ ఛానల్ ద్వారా మేము సిబిఎస్ఈ, ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్, ఎన్టీఎస్సి, నీట్, జేఈ మెయిన్స్ వంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్కు సంబంధించిన వీడియోలను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాము. ముందుగా మా ఛానల్ను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్న సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్కి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ ఛానల్ను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీరిచ్చే సపోర్ట్ వల్ల మేము మరెన్నో యూజ్ఫుల్ వీడియోస్ను అప్లోడ్ చేయగలము. మీ యొక్క అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పక షేర్ చేయగలరు. ఫోర్స్ అండ్ ప్రెషర్. లెట్ us go for క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. ఈ వీడియోలో ఫోర్స్ అండ్ ప్రెషర్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Let us go for question number 1. In this question, they are asking that give 2 examples each of situations in which you push or pull to change the state of motion of objects. In this question, they are asking that first you have to give 2 examples each of situations of one is a push situation and pull situations. So, let us go for examples. Examples of push force. A toy car is at rest. Now, a toy car is at rest. Is it changing the position? No. So, that's why it is at rest and it is applied a push force to move it. So, a toy car is at rest and is applied a push force to move it. Second example. We push a bicycle to move it. So, these 2 examples of push force. Go for second. Examples of pull force. Pulling a drawer. Now, we are withdrawing the drawer. So, which force is acting on this? Pulling force. The second example is pulling a rope to draw water from a well. In villages, the people are drawing the water from a well. So, this is also example of pull force. First one is pulling a drawer, second one is pulling a rope to draw water from a well. అందరికీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. క్వశ్చన్ 1 అండ్ ఆన్సర్. క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కంప్లీటెడ్. Let us discuss question number 2. In this question, they are asking that give 2 examples of situations in which applied force causes a change in the shape of the objects. So, here we have to give 2 examples of situations. Effects of force. Due to the force, we have to change in the shape of the objects. What is the answer? This is the answer. 2 examples of situations where a force can change the shape of the object are plastic bottles changes their shape when it is squeezed. Now, we are taking the plastic bottle and we have to squeeze it. So, it automatically it changes their shape. This is the one example for changing the object. Second one, take a rubber band and stretch it. It changes its shape. So, stretching a rubber band changes its shape. This is the question number 2 and this is the answer. అందరికీ అర్థమైంది కదా. ఇది question number 2 and answer. Solution of this. Now, go for third one. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. First one, to draw water from a well, we have to dash at the rope. We have to pull or push. We withdraw water, we have to pull the rope. So, to draw water from a well, we have to pull at the rope. Go to the second one. A charged body dash an uncharged body towards it. Here, what should be here? Attracts. So, a charged body attracts an uncharged body towards it. Third one, to move a loaded trolley, we have to dash it. Either we have to push it or pull it. fourth one, the north pole of a magnet dash the north pole of another magnet. Here these are the same poles in the magnet, they repel each other. So the north pole of a magnet repels the north pole of another magnet. This is the third question. Fill in the blanks. అందరికి అర్థమైంది కదా. ఫస్ట్ వన్ పుల్, సెకండ్ వన్ అట్రాక్ట్స్, థర్డ్ వన్ either push or pull, fourth one repels. Completed. Now the question number 4. An archer stretches her bow while taking aim at the target. She then releases the arrow which begins to move towards the target. Based on this information, fill up the gaps in the following statements using the following terms: muscular, contact, non-contact, gravity, friction, shape and attraction. By using these hints, we have to write all this, fill in the blanks. First, already muscular force, contact force, non-contact force, gravity, friction, shape, attraction. So coming to the questions, let us discuss number 1. To stretch the bow, the archer applies a force causes a change in shape. Second one, the force applied by the archer to stretch the bow is an example of, here she is applying the muscles, her muscles. So regarding force is generated by the muscles is known as muscular force. So this is example for muscular force. The third one is the type of force responsible for a change in the state of motion of the arrow is an example of contact force. Contact force nothing but the force which acts direct contact. So that's why here which type of force it is? Contact force. The fourth one is, while the arrow moves towards its target, the force is acting on its due to gravity. Due to gravitational force it attracts, and that due to friction of air. Fourth one completed. Let us discuss question number 5. In the following situations, identify the agent exerting the force and the object on which it acts. State the effect of force in each case. Here in this question they are asking that we have to identify the effect of force in each case. So first we will discuss one by one. First one, squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice. Second one, taking out paste from a toothpaste tube. A load suspended from a spring while its other end is on a hook fixed to a wall. An athlete making a high jump to clear the bar at a certain height. Now we will discuss one by one. The first one, A. Squeezing a piece of lemon. We are squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers. Here what type of force you are using? Muscular force. So when a lemon is squeezed, a muscular force is applied by the hands on the lemon. As a result, the shape of lemon gets changed. Next, second one, we are taking paste from the toothpaste tube. So here also muscular force is applied by the hands. Here we are applying the force by using the muscles. So force is generated by the muscles to get the toothpaste from the toothpaste tube. So muscular force is applied by the hand on the tube of toothpaste, which results in the change of shape of the tube. Whenever we are pressing, it changes its shape. Third one, a load suspended from a spring while its other end is on a hook fixed to a wall. What type of force is exerting here? Suspended load exert a downward force on the spring. As a result, the length of the spring changes, that we are calling as elongates. So which the spring elongates? Which force acting? Downwards. Downward force. The fourth one is an athlete making a high jump to clear the bar at a certain height. When an athlete attempts high jump, his feet applies a muscular force. The force is generated by the muscles. This is the muscular force on the ground. As a result, he jumps over the bar and his state of motion gets changed.